Niche research. In this section, you are going to learn what a niche is. I'll then be walking you through the differences between what we call niche websites and authority websites. There is a very distinct difference between the two, and it's very important you understand which type you want to build because it will have a big impact on how long it takes you to get results and also how much money you can make. After that, I'll then be walking you through my 4 strategies I use to find affiliate marketing niches. However, finding a niche is just one piece of the jigsaw. You also need to know how to validate that niche to determine if it's one you should actually be moving forward with. As if you end up proceeding with the wrong niche, you're going to end up wasting a lot of time and a lot of money as well. And what I also want to run through in this section is the finding the best niche, the reality about that, because a lot of people have this misconception of there's one perfect niche and this niche does not work. Well, I'm going to go through the reality of that and also explain to you why you should not be going online in Facebook groups and asking people what is the best niche, because in a nutshell, no one is going to tell you. But I'll cover all of that in a lot of detail in that video. So let's get started.